We're the first company that created a modular induction system, first company in the world. We launched our company in 2022, so it was important for us to come to KBIS and make a big splash. We're looking to raise brand awareness and get as many people out there word of our product as possible.
2 years ago, Tulip Cooking was just a concept. Today, it's the creator of the world's first modular induction stovetop system. Dutch in design and innovative in nature, this new entrant to the culinary world is ready to make its mark. To increase brand visibility, Tulip Cooking participated in the Kitchen and Bath Industry 2023 show. As a platform that combines the best kitchen and bath design, it was the ideal venue for Tulip Cooking to debut its unique product.
The kitchen is obviously where lots of families gather, and so with our booth, we wanted a real homey feeling that would bring that warmth into our booth.
From their inviting booth design to their interactive product display, Tulip Cooking was determined to provide a warm, homey environment that would attract potential customers and partners.
Before we came to the show, we worked with the KBIS app to make sure we were making all the right connections. We sent them some pictures. We were big on social media. Obviously, our product is going to sell when people see it. They absolutely love it. So it's really important that in getting that brand recognition and that awareness out there through social media and our marketing department.
Leveraging digital tools and social media, Tulip Cooking aimed to maximize its outreach and capitalize on the potential of the KBIS platform.
As a small company, we have to get our brand out there. We're on somewhat of a budget. We don't have the best booth location, but when people come by our booth, it's really important to pass that message on about we're a legitimate company.
With its innovative product and strategic approach to marketing, Tulip Cooking has started its journey in the culinary world. As the company continues to grow and make its mark, its first appearance at KBIS 2023 proves to be a stepping stone in achieving its ambitious vision.